Hello, good afternoon guys. This afternoon, we're going to repair indoor board of Daikin, which is 2.5 HP. This indoor board has no power. I'm going to switch on and then use the remote. Oh, there's no power. See, now we're going to open this one and troubleshoot after a while so that we can see why it has no power. So guys, we troubleshoot this indoor board of Daikin. Now we found out that the microcontroller is shorted, so there is no way to repair this one. It should be replaced a new one board so that it works the outdoor board. See, I'll put supply. This is the 5 volts. I applied only 4.7. See, now, see, microcontroller is shorted like this. That's why we are unable to repair this one. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching this video.